So meaning your sales po
Sales are
nag-decline?
declining.
Okay.
Me and my husband talked about it, but sabi niya, huwag mong isasara kahit anong mangyari. Because from that one store, a lot of stores will be born from it. Hindi ko yun naintindihan dati.
Parang
So,
prophecy.
paano mangyari? Lugi na nga, di ba? The Lord impressed to me that we have to prepare for something else,
Talaga?
not in that company. So, and I really thought, Paolo, no, na talagang I will end up being in a corporation. No?
So ikaw yung nagpa-retrench?
Yeah. I was a...
Paano ba nagsimula ang isang Judith Cinco?
I came from the government kasi ang Department of Trade and Industry is composed of sections. From banking, from multinational companies, from manufacturing din, nanggaling din ako doon.
So ang galing, no? Para na-expose ka muna sa iba't ibang department.
Oo, and I really thought, Paolo, no, na talagang I will end up, I will end my career
Corporate
being
ladder.
being in a corporation, no, in companies, no. But I never really thought that after 14 years there will be turn of events. So sabi ko nga kanina that when I was in this multinational German company, which is paying very well, the Lord impressed to me that you have to prepare for something else,
Talaga?
not in that company. So, ang kasama ko kasing colleague is has been in the company for around 20 years already. Oo, siya yung co-manager ko. Siya yung mare-retrench dapat.
Okay.
And she's really prepared for it because for every year of service, the company will be giving 4 months of salary.
Sa kanya.
So you can imagine, Paolo,
Laki
she's
nun.
been with the company for 20 years, that's times 4.
Oo.
So that's a very huge amount of money. But then, one time that while we are having lunch together, sabi ko sa kanya, sabi niya, Jad, wag kang ganyan naka-prepare na ako, nakaplano na ako, lahat-lahat. But then, kapag may sinabi si Lord, mangyayari yun.
Correct.
Oo, and then a month after, kinausap kami ng manager namin, ng director namin, I mean, and she asked us na, Jad, if you will be retained, are you willing to do her work? Her work is, I don't like her work.
So ikaw yung nagpa-retrench?
Yeah, I was retrenched.
Tapos siya yung na-retain?
Siya yung na-retain.
Tapos after nun, te, doon mo na-meet yung Malaysia na negosyante who offered you to become an exclusive distributor ng sarilo. Kaya lang mataas yung price niya.
So I kept on negotiating. Every day, we're talking. So from 300,000, naging 200, tapos naging 100. Sabi ko, that's still too risky for me. So sabi niya, I think na he already got tired. Sabi niya sa akin, how much do you want?
Siya na nagtanong magkano. Okay.
Okay, you want to know my opinion? Okay, I'm willing to invest at 30,000. What?
Ano lang yan? 2,500 ringgit lang
Sabi
yun.
niya, maliit na box, parang ganito maliit na box lang yan ng mga relo. Oh, because I still wanted to try your products here if the Filipinos will like them. So, I didn't hear anything from him for a week. So I thought that...
Wala na.
Oo, wala na. Nahiya rin ako doon sa offer ko. Pero pinanindigan ko yun, Paolo. Kasi ayoko talaga na mag-take ng ganun kalaki.
2,000 pesos, kumbaga sa kanila, 2,500.
Yes.
Kumbaga sa kanila, ang liit na eh.
Oo. So it's only like 30,000. Parang mga...
So kumbaga papayag din naman pala sila sa 30,000, ano?
You know how much we're able to sell
magkano?
during the time? 750,000.
Wow, talaga? Ilang months po yan? Nung months? 4 months?
Yes.
Dito tuwa yung Malaysian.
Yes. October to December lang.
Ang galing
Oh, but we are in the bazaar venue from 10 o'clock a.m. to 12 o'clock midnight.
Tiyaga po talaga.
So uuwi kami niyan mga alas 2, alas 3. Kaya pa ng katawan mo eh.
Oo.
But that's the price we have to pay. And I think I was ready to embrace that also. That new journey of mine. Oo. So, pagdating ng February, we are already in Malaysia, signing the exclusive
Exclusive na.
distributorship.
Galing, wow.
October, November, December, 5 months lang.
Yes.
Ang galing,
And we never stopped from there.
So ito na yung first nyo. Ito na yung Image Ray.
Oo.
Akala ko Imagery. Image Ray. God has prepared you in different departments and led you to where you are right now. Nakita mo po yung insights ng DTI. The fact na Department of Trade and Industry yon, lahat ng negosyo, ako nga nag-register dun eh. Di ba? And then, napunta ka sa isang 10,000 employees na corporation.
Funny thing is that I just recently realized all of those things.
Talaga.
Oo, how the Lord has
Prepared you.
prepared, merged, intertwined yung mga opportunities, situations in our life.
Correct.
Oo, talaga.
There are 3 things that will shape you kung paano ka pinrepare ni Lord. Ito yung skills, gifts, and talents. Alam ba, may certain gifts kayo na wala ako eh. And may certain gifts din ako na wala kayo. And binigay sa atin ni Lord yun for a specific reason.
God will give you also the opportunity to use yung skills and talents and giftings that you have. Yung opportunity, wag natin papakawalan.
Correct. Ngayon po, ano yung mga businesses nyo?
Okay, right now, we are going 17 years in the watch business. And even the business has already evolved. So, kinuwento ko nga kanina na nag-seek ako ng help dun sa isang negosyanteng Malaysian.
Okay.
And then we got the distributorship of, ang pangalan ng mga brands is Claudia and Alexis Christie.
Okay.
Those were the first brands that we have. And then it was followed by 9 other brands.
Talaga?
Yes. So it was a very good opportunity to have an experience of importing all of those brands and makatulong din tayo sa iba pang mga small businesses
Correct.
sa ibang bansa. So it's not only Malaysian but eventually we have business dealings with the Hong Kong nationals, with Chinese of course, Italians,
Talaga?
Koreans. To offer yung mga watch brands na yon sa kanilang workplace. So we are providing them like 100 to 300 watches per month.
Oh? Talaga?
So they have
Hanggang ngayon po tuloy-tuloy yun.
that ended 2013. And then it was followed in 2014 when there was a globalization
Okay.
na nagbukas ang China market.
Right.
Yeah, openly no dito sa Philippine market. So that's the time when more cheaper watches are
Right.
competing with our brands. And syempre, ang mga tao they would want cheaper watches. Syempre pag nakita nila, and also it's the start of online purchasing.
Correct. 2014. B2B, B2C.
Yes. Those kinds of businesses. So kahit, bawa, ikaw, makita mo ang ganda ng relo, di ba? Sa online. So you're going to buy it just on the premise na maganda yung picture. Pero pagdating sa'yo, minsan,
Yung quality.
oo, iba yung expectation versus the
Expectation versus the actual. So meaning your sales, po
are
nag-decline.
declining.
Okay.
So, me and my husband talked about it, but sabi niya, huwag mong isasara kahit anong mangyari. Because from that one store, a lot of stores will be born from it. Hindi ko yun naintindihan dati.
Parang
So,
prophecy
paano
yun.
mangyari? Lugi na nga, di ba?
Ah.
But then we just continued on. And then sabi, he suggested, why don't we put a watch repair in that store? Sabi ko, paano mag-watch repair? Watch sales nga tayo. No, i-suggest mo lang sa Landmark na maglalagyan natin ng watch repair.
Okay.
Siyempre, I know that he's more business savvy than me. Ako naman yung taga-kausap, taga-coordinate sa Landmark. So, I suggested and then they approved. Pero sabi nila, brands nyo lang So, okay. Brands, only our brands. So, but then, the sales are still low. Kasi brands lang namin And then we took the chance to open up to Landmark to accommodate all the other brands.
Okay.
And surprisingly, they approved. So that's where Image Ray Watch Repair and Services was born. Yung dati namin, 90% are watch sales, 10% lang yung watch repair and services. But then, when you obey din talaga yung yung heed ni God, yung wisdom ni God, in a few months time nagkabaliktad.
Talaga?
The watch sales became, unti-unti muna, nag-50-50 muna sila. But then after a year, watch sales is 10%, watch repair become 90%,
Mas malaki.
90% of the sales. Yes.
Talaga?
And that's where Landmark saw that potential and offered us a second Landmark store, which is
Wow.
Landmark Makati. Two Landmark stores were opened during the pandemic. When others don't see the opportunity, but when God tells you,
Correct.
you go. Ang dilim-dilim no ng mall. When everybody else don't see the opportunity or the chance,
Correct.
but when God tells you that you go,
Dapat tingnan mo yung mga bagay sa lente ng Panginoon no? Iba kasi. Iba yung how He sees things, right? Now, so moving on. Who or what are your major influences na nag-shape sa inyo?
Una-una, it's my husband eh.
Primarily, ano?
Primarily is the one. He's very supportive. And kahit na alam niya that I'm a newbie, I felt his support and also his trust in me. Ang maganda din dyan, no, lumalabas din yung talents and gifts that are complementary to each other. Kaya din, di ba, ni Karina, no? Pao, minsan nag-argue or karaniwan, di ba? But that's normal.
Si Sir Joey Concepcion po, naging boss ng mama nyo. Nakasama niyo siya sa convention.
No, not yet. I didn't know that time that he was already a successful businessman. Then naging secretary of the Department of Trade siya. So yung wisdom niya rin on business, yung na-share niya on that department, during those time where he led it, nagkaroon ng lasting legacy.
Talaga.
Doon kasi nagsimula yung support sa small and medium businesses. So, hindi tayo magtataka kung yung kanyang anak is also pushing the promotion of SMEs in the Philippines.
Right.
Correct.
So, di ba right now po, you're a mentor of Go Negosyo. Ano ba po yung concept ng Go Negosyo and how are you involved dito? Paano ka na-involve?
All right. First, I believe in their advocacy.
Right. I've heard meron Mentor Me on Wheels.
Mentor Me on Wheels. So they go from one place to another here in Manila and also in the provinces. So they have this partnership with malls. Yes, where they introduce the program Mentor Me on Wheels. So that's where we are mentoring existing or those who are planning to go into business. So they promote it so well that a lot of people are really lining up to get mentored. So may mga din sila, promotion that may mga sponsors din that they also win prizes. But aside from that, ang maganda din doon yung opportunity to be mentored din.
Correct.
Yeah. And maganda rin sa mentoring, di ba, Pao, that you're not only sharing what you know, but you are also learning from these people.
Right.
Two-way yan, two-way.
O grabe din yung pinagdadaanan nila, no? Just to have a business of their own and to matupad yung kanilang mga pangarap.
Correct.
It's a program that is supported by the government. And nagpo-provide din sila ng mga opportunities for like mga loans, then and also mga technology. Since they also tie up with the OST and other government agencies. And last year, Pao, they focused more on the agriculture. So, ang ganda rin ng mga programa nila sa agriculture. Pero actually, kasi ang nagsasuffer, ang mga magsasaka natin, in a way, they're also business people. Kasi sila yung nagbebenta ng mga produce nila sa mga buyer. But they are not, parang they are suffering because maraming mga middle person.
Okay.
So, yung kita nila, hindi yun napupunta lahat sa kanila. So, ngayon, meron ng farm to market program.
Bina-bypass na yung mga middleman.
Yes. So, buong-buo na nilang na-enjoy yung kita nila.
So, paano po mag-join sa Go Negosyo? Sa mga listeners natin who wants to join Go Negosyo, is there any accreditation or anything to submit? Any requirement? Meron po ba?
No accreditation. So, as long as you belong to the category of small micro, small, and medium business, you can enjoy the benefits. Yes, as long din na yun nga, meron ka ring business permit.
What was your first major setback?
Okay. Major setback. Nawala sa amin yung account na yun. Talagang,
Laglag talaga.
oo. Yeah. So, we suffered a lot then. And so, that is one hard lesson. Sometimes kasi, when you are enjoying already the profits, we tend to be dependent on this account. Ang laki ng account na to. And they are giving us stable income. Month in, month out, talagang very stable. So,
Then bigla na pull out.
yes. And the sad part is that hindi naman sila nag-require, but we had an inventory of 3 million. Because kapag kailangan nila ng mga relo for their distribution, kailangan may ready kang ma-deliver sa kanila.
Okay.
So they don't want to wait. Kasi pinakamalaking account mo to, so you tend to take care of them so much.
Correct,
No? So lahat ng mga requirements nila.
Parang binuhos nyo lahat doon.
mo yan. O yeah. So lahat ng aming mga resources, capitalization, was channeled.
Actually, ganyan din na ng learning namin mag-asawa. Ganyan-ganyan din.
Kaya kahit after that, no, so we turned also into customized watches in 2014. Kahit isang relo lang na o-orderin sa amin, we attend to it with so much care, with attention, and the best of our customer service ability.
Correct.
Kasi kahit isa lang yan, that can bring you a lot of
Correct.
clients pa rin eh.
Correct.
Ano pong advice nyo sa mga batang aspiring magnegosyo?
You must know your purpose then.
Right. Purpose.
Yeah. Passion and profit goes together. Kailangan din happy ka din sa ginagawa mo. You
Correct,
enjoy
correct.
what you do.
Ate, diploma o diskarte?
It depends on the person really. For some people, they only knew they are for business if they experience being employed. So, parang ang hirap magtrabaho sa may boss, napaka-demanding, no? Parang ganun, you don't want, na parang you're so stressed. So, and then you discovered something that you wanted to sell or to make into a business.
Okay. Picture react tayo, te.
It was a new thing in the market, although Citizen is already introducing solar-powered.
Okay.
Pero marami ba talagang magagaling na Chinese? Kasi China, grabe di ba? So, even in watches.
Everything has China on it. Everything that we see. Yeah, even component. When they imitate, they do it better.
Correct.
Parang yung Land Rover Discovery. Ngayon, ginopya na po. Meron Jetour. Ngayon, nagulat ako, meron naman Haval.
Kaya nakakaiwas din sila sa mga lawsuits. Kasi they don't exactly copy. They make a better version of the original.
Galing no?
Sa school, bawal ka umopya eh. In real life, copy-copy ka. Alalo ka Asenso eh. Now, ito po, parang nag-donate kayo ng books.
Yes. Imagery believes also that it's not all business, but you share your blessings also with those who are less fortunate. And that's one drive that we had. It's yes, it's a book drive for the children in Tanay Rizal.
Okay.
For the tribe there.
Ito.
Ooh!
Ang baby.
Pa, we are childless. You know it.
Ito ang babies niya.
Yeah. Pero mga anak namin may mga buntot. She's half half ano ba yung mga malalaki? Beagle.
Beagle,
And, half Aspen.
Pero ang ganda na outcome ba?
Yeah, we don't care. Basta they give us happiness.
Correct.
Yeah, we love to take care of dogs. We have 3 dogs and 1 arowana.
Arowana. Okay.
Yes.
Hanggang gano'ng kalaki ba yun?
Ngayon, gano'n na siya. Ganyan.
Lumalaki pa talaga yun, te?
Oh, depending on the size of your aquarium. So, kung mas malaki aquarium, mas
Nag-expand
malaki
siya?
sila. Oo.
Pero mahal daw benta nun.
Hindi na binibenta. If,
So malaki talaga siya, no?
kung mas malaki yung habitat nila, mas malaki yung chance nila. Mas malaki yung
Ang
space.
galing po, nag-grow sila depending on the environment.
Yes. Kasi the reason why we decided to take care of that fish is because low maintenance siya.
Okay.
We're also attending
Ay, you know, mentor na mentor talaga si ate, oh. Go negosyo.
ba yan?
Hindi. Nag-research kami. Nag-research kami. So, huwag ka mag-alala.
Yes, and I think during the pandemic also, Go Negosyo didn't stop mentoring a lot of people to go into business.
Ate, for example, kaharap mo yung isang batang Judith Cinco. Anong sasabihin mo sa kanya?
Alam mo, yan yung question na nagtagal ako eh. Don't waste time, girl. Know your purpose and have faith.
Maraming salamat. Sobrang solid ng kwentuhan. Pero bitin. Kung gusto niyo pong ma-reach si Miss Judith, nandito po yung contact information dito sa screen. Guys, thank you very much for watching Next Level Talks. This is Engineer Paolo Santos. Maraming salamat po. God bless!